Hey yo, welcome back. This is Ty. Has Soothe just met its match with an affordable competitor? Let's look into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop straight into it. So this is called The Smoother by Phil Pizer, however you say that. But basically it's like Soothe, but it's kind of more set up like a multi-band compressor. Real cool, real smooth. But the song that I'm going to be demonstrating this on today is Leave the Light On. And if you dig it, it drops the 21st, and I'll leave a pre-save down in the description below. But let's go ahead and give it a taste here. I'm going to go ahead and set my Soothe to default. I'm going to bring that down. And let's go ahead and kind of dial this in, and then we'll go ahead and dial in the smoother.
I've been waving out the window, bye-bye. You know what I'm saying? Found me another baddie. Baby, I'm a fiend, I'm an asshole. But if you're gonna leave the light on. Let the baddies body.
So that sounded pretty smooth. But then let's go ahead and dial in the smoother, and we'll kind of go back and forth. They do sound different, so it's kind of a cool twist. But let's go ahead and see what we can do here.
I've been waving out the window, bye-bye. You know what I'm saying? Found me another baddie. Baby, I'm a fiend, I'm an asshole. But if you're gonna leave the light on. Let the baddies by the teens, let them add up. I've been popping beans, keep me fired up. Let the smoke clear, talking to my shadow. Out of town, bitch, turn her to my saddle. You're the type of chick to ignore a battle. Baby, I'm right here, I'm up in the saddle.
So you can see here you got your mix knob, it's at 50%. And one thing they got here is they got their presets on out in the open. So if you want a simple smooth, de-harsh, de-S, de-mud, you can do all kinds of different things with that. You got your side chain down here. But we're just going to go ahead and look at it in the most standard way possible. Just kind of toggle back and forth, and we'll see what we're sounding like. So starting with the Soothe. Now with the smoother. Let's do it one more time.
I've been waving out the window, bye-bye.
So yo, it's pretty similar on the two of them. I do think they have a slight different sound. One thing I do really like about the smoother is it does seem like you can kind of pinpoint and get a little more surgical. It doesn't seem to be like with Soothe 2, where it's kind of, I mean, you got your high pass and your low pass, but it just seems to react a bit different. And kind of what it looks like to me is like it's not quite as rounding everything off quite as much as Soothe when you're driving it harder, but it's definitely still really taking out a lot of those harsh resonances. And I know we could go a lot deeper into this, but I wanted to give a brief overlook. And right now, this plugin, bruh, it's $15. I lied. $14.99 after tax. So $210, $209 before tax, $14.99 after. You make your choice. I absolutely love Soothe 2, but I'm going to be mixing in smoother a lot more. So if you like it, go ahead and give it a cop, give it a try. But y'all, I hope this helps y'all. This is Ty. I'm going to catch y'all next week. Peace.